Here's our air compressor at the shop at Retro Electronics. This is a Peerless 2 horsepower single phase AC motor running on 240 volts. We put some zoom spout oil in the oil ports here. You can see right here are the oil ports. And this compressor was made by the United States Air Compressor Company in Cleveland, Ohio. This building was built in 1948, I believe, so I think that's when the air compressor dates from. Here's the compressor head, and it looks like the head has been replaced at some time. It's a two-stage unit, compressing first in the first cylinder, and then delivering that compressed output into the input of the second cylinder to provide the second stage of compression. Here's the pressure gauge. Pressure gauge is at 0. I'm going to try to go over here to the circuit breaker box, and we'll start up the air compressor.